मोहम्मद हसीन। मेरी पहचान पाकिस्तान, मेरा ईमान पाकिस्तान, मेरी है आन पाकिस्तान। राय नुसरत की मंजिल में मेरा सामान पाकिस्तान। Honorable Chief Guest, respected Chairperson, and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammad Hasib from St. Anthony High School, Lahore. Pakistan is my dear homeland. It has beautiful snowy peaks, deserts, flowing rivers, attractive and rich culture, a powerful army, and talented leaders like Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah and famous poets like Allama Muhammad Iqbal and many other notable figures. It has many natural resources. जन्नत से कहीं बढ़ के हसीन मेरा वतन है, जन्नत से कहीं बढ़ के हसीन मेरा वतन है, हमसर है जो फलक की जमीन मेरा वतन है. Honorable Chief Guest, respected audience, Pakistan has given us identity, freedom and respect. Enjoying all this because our forefathers' sacrifices. So this freedom and identity had come at a high cost. So let us love and pledge to end all the wrongs who are taking place around us so that we can truly proud to call ourselves Pakistanis. दुश्मन के लिए शोला, अपनों के लिए शबनम, दुश्मन के लिए शोला, अपनों के लिए शबनम, जज्बों का समंदर हूँ, ख्वाबों की रवानी हूँ, मैं पाकिस्तानी हूँ, मैं पाकिस्तानी हूँ. Honorable Chief Guest, respected audience, Pakistan, my dear homeland. When Pakistan was established on 14 August 1947, it was said that it will survive no longer than 6 months. But by the grace of Allah Almighty and great leaders who were hardworking proved it wrong. Now, 79 years have passed. Pakistan stands as a resilient and determined conscious nation among all the countries of the world. Despite many challenges it has made, remarkable progress in science, agriculture, technology, healthcare, and infrastructure. Pakistan is the world's only Muslim nuclear power and has a highly and respected professional armed forces. In recent US-Iran war, the whole world saluted Pakistan as a peacemaker in the world. My dear country fellows, I conclude my speech with the inspiring words of Allama Muhammad Iqbal. सितारों से आगे जहां और भी हैं, beyond the stars, there are many worlds to conquer. Let these words inspire us to dream bigger, work harder, and serve Pakistan with unwavering devotion. Together, let us build a conscious nation because only a conscious nation can create a strong homeland. Pakistan, Zindabad. Thank you.